Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make water pressure. First, let's understand what water pressure is. It's essentially the force that pushes water through your pipes, measured in pounds per square inch or psi. Good pressure, typically between 40 and 60 psi, is crucial for everything from a strong shower to efficient appliance operation. Low pressure can make simple tasks feel like a chore, so let's explore how to improve it. One of the most fundamental ways to create water pressure is by using gravity. Simply elevate a water storage tank above where you need the water. For every 1 foot of elevation, you gain approximately 0.43 pounds per square inch of pressure. So, a tank positioned 23 feet higher than your faucet will provide about 10 psi. This method is incredibly reliable and doesn't require any electricity to operate. For a more active approach to increasing water pressure, consider installing a booster pump. These devices are plumbed directly into your main water line and actively increase the flow and force of water throughout your system. It's important to select a pump with the right horsepower and flow rate, typically measured in gallons per minute, to match your home's demands. Proper installation, including electrical and plumbing connections, is key for safe and effective operation. Finally, optimizing your existing plumbing system can significantly improve water pressure. Check for any blockages or narrow pipes that might be restricting water flow. Replacing old, corroded pipes, especially those with a smaller diameter, can make a huge difference. Also, ensure all your shutoff valves are completely open. Don't forget to regularly clean aerators and shower heads, as mineral buildup can drastically reduce water output and perceived pressure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.